Okay, so what is happening in 18 hours?
My role is a cameo role in this movie. It was very fun, very exciting for me to come down. Good experience for me, very, very exciting. First Malayalam movie also.
Okay.
First movie overall also. I hadn't seen a Malayalam movie before.
Alright.
So this was actually a crazy thing that happened, and I'm very grateful that I got the chance to be a part of this team. But how much I've seen, I really like the vibe of Kerala. Very sweet people, sweet gestures, helping people, you know. This is a funny story actually. I did not plan on being into a beauty pageant. I was the most tomboy person you would ever meet. And that was after 17 long years that Manushi Chiller from India won the Miss World title. Everybody was talking, this 19-year-old girl has won this big title, and what are you guys doing? Right now I just know that Miss India, I want to be on that stage. That was the only focus. So I prepared.
Hi, hello, behind the eyes viewers. Welcome to our show, Little Chat with Lids. 18 hours in the movie, വിശേഷങ്ങൾ പങ്കുവയ്ക്കാൻ നമ്മളുടെ കൂടെ ഡൽഹിയിൽ നിന്ന് എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ് മാൻസി സൈഗാൾ. Hi Mansi, welcome to the show.
Hi Litwin, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good.
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? How is Kerala? How are you enjoying this?
It's good. I'm loving it. The weather is nice and it's a good experience to be here.
Well, let's talk about your movie, 18 hours.
Yes.
Yes, so what is happening in 18 hours?
That you will have to see.
Okay. Alright. So give me something. What about your character, or how did you land up in this role?
My role is a cameo role in this movie, and how did I land up? I got a call from Rajesh sir's team. So they wanted a fresh face for the role that you'll be seeing in the movie.
Alright.
So I auditioned for it, sent over my self-test. We had a call and discussed the basis of the script and everything. I found it very interesting.
Alright.
So it's also my first movie and first Malayalam movie also.
First Malayalam movie.
Yes.
Okay.
First movie overall also.
Alright.
So I was very excited to be a part of this, and so that's how it happened. Then I came down, we shot, and now we're here.
Alright. So how was the journey? It was interesting coming to Kerala, because you're not very familiar with the language and with the people, and it's all together a different culture. So how did you manage all this?
So I'm someone who's very interested to explore different cultures and food especially.
Alright.
So it was very fun, very exciting for me to come down, try and eat what they're eating, try and eat how they're eating.
Alright.
And being on the set, movie set, so it was good experience for me, very, very exciting.
Quick question. Tell me 5 things which you really found interesting in Kerala.
So first is Kovalam Beach.
Okay.
Second would be dosa. Third is the weather I really like.
Okay.
Fourth is Rajesh sir.
Okay. Alright, director, that's for you. Okay.
And fifth, let me think. I really like the houses in Kerala.
Alright.
The old houses.
Yeah. Alright. So how was that? What was that input from Rajesh sir, the director? And overall, because it's like there are a lot of people working together. I mean, a lot of girls of your age, and you've been working together. So how do you feel the whole thing?
As I said, it is my first experience of shooting in a movie. So through the journey, Rajesh sir was very helpful to actually explain, because acting otherwise and shooting in a movie is different.
Right.
So to explain the camera angles, what he really wants to take out of the scene and everything. So he was guiding throughout, and that's how I think I could also give my best. So I hope it has come good out on the screen. I haven't gotten a chance to watch it.
Okay.
So I'm really excited, as much as the audience.
So it's like the weather is like all monsoon here, and it's been really. So are you going out, or did you visit any places?
Around the shoot only, I got a chance to see a little of Kerala. Then I went to Kovalam Beach when the shoot was happening.
Alright.
And right now I haven't really gotten a chance to roam around. Just the travel is making me see Kerala around. I know that Trivandrum is a very well-planned city. But due to COVID, things are shutting early. There's a lot of restrictions around, and you can't meet many people. So, but how much I've seen, I really like the vibe of Kerala. Very sweet people, sweet gestures, helping people, So that's nice.
Right. Alright.
Delhi is a very fast-moving city,
Right.
So Kerala is calm.
Comparing the work culture, like there in Delhi and how out here in Kerala, what do you find the difference?
I won't be able to compare that much, because what I've done is modeling shoots, and this is a movie shooting overall. So it's not a direct comparison. But one thing I feel is Delhi moves very fast. They just move very fast. They work done next, work done next.
Yeah.
Here, what I felt is Kerala is a family. movie we shot together, all were a family. We used to eat together, discuss scenes together, then sit together at the beach, then discuss what we have to do, what needs to come out. So that thing I really liked about Kerala.
Alright. So talk to me about your, the journey of being a beauty pageant as Femina Miss India Delhi 2019. So about the journey and what really made you want to be a pageant.
This is a funny story actually. I did not plan on being into a beauty pageant. I was the most tomboy person you would ever meet.
Alright.
So in my first year, I remember it was back in 2017. India won Miss World at the Miss World stage, and that was after 17 long years that Manushi Chiller from India won the Miss World title, and it was a news widespread all around. Everybody was talking. This 19-year-old girl has won this big title, and what are you guys doing? So this. My dance instructor, I was in my dance society back then in
so
college.
what are you guys doing? That is the thing that really struck you.
So he was like, 19-year-old people are winning such big titles. What are you doing? What are you doing in life? And you're not even coming on time to the practice. What are you doing?
Okay.
So I was like, oh, who is
Bring
this
it on,
girl?
challenge.
Who is this girl? I mean, so I started reading, watching videos. It was very intriguing for me. And then I started watching different Miss India's videos, stories. I understood what the platform actually stands for, and it really motivated me. So that's when I planned that, this is something I want to do. I don't know what will come after that, what will come, where do I need to go after that. Right now, I just know that Miss India, I want to be on that stage. That was the only focus. So I prepared and went ahead. It was my third audition where I actually made it.
Alright.
So yeah.
So what were you doing there? I mean, during those times, I think you were studying.
I was in my college in my second year. I was studying BTech. Now I've completed my BTech degree.
Okay.
So that time I was studying.
What was your
in
stream?
Instrumentation and Control Engineering from Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology in Delhi.
Wonderful. So it's like, are you planning to continue your studies, or you are again, means as a winner, you are into fashion and you're into modeling, and as well as you are acting in a movie right now. So what do you think? How do you think your career pace is right from now?
So right now I think that my dream is to act.
Alright.
So I really want to go ahead in acting. I don't think I'll be pursuing engineering so much. It was the time in class 12th when I was really interested in sciences, and I took up as a undergraduate degree because I was interested in BTech. But now when it comes to career, I have explored creative sides a lot in the past 2 years. So that is how I want to go ahead.
But did you have any idea about the Malayalam film industry or how things work here?
Not at all. I haven't. I hadn't seen a Malayalam movie before.
Alright.
So this was actually a crazy thing that happened, and I'm very grateful that I got the chance to be a part of this team. But now I'm very very happy to be here actually. Talking about the movie. Talking to you about the movie.
Alright, that's wonderful. And Mansi, you were also in the news for joining the Aam Aadmi Party. So an artist taking a political side, it's not usually heard, because as an artist, you have a wider audience which that doesn't belong to any kind of parties,
Right.
So how did it, what was your reason for such a decision?
Okay, so since I was preparing for Miss India, I involved myself in a project which was awareing people on the needs of eye, organ and body donation. So that's how I started working on the social side of the society as well. So the reason for joining Aam Aadmi Party was because around Delhi, I have seen our state government doing a lot in the areas of health and education. So that is what actually matters to the common man around me. So the reason for joining Aam Aadmi Party was to contribute to that, to volunteer for that, and to give my bit to the society around. Because what I can do from the platform of politics around the society is much huge than what I can do in NGO or just by myself. So the platform that politics give is huge. So that's why I joined, to volunteer and to do my bit in social work.
I'm very happy to hear that you're loving Kerala, and all the best for your movie. But before we leave, I got a rapid fire with you. Alright? Ready? Okay, 3 things you can never live without.
My phone,
Okay.
my wallet, and my earphones.
Earphones, 3 things. Alright, so are you into music when you listen
A lot. Music.
What is your genre?
Anything and everything. I like everything. I right now I'm into Bollywood music a lot, and apart from that, I like hip hop, jazz, and I've started listening to EDM, techno. I like all kinds of music.
So you are stranded in an island. So who would you prefer it to be with?
With my family.
Safe
answer.
You're only allowed to choose one.
So from family, I can choose.
Yeah. I know, but when you choose, make sure that who in the family has got the best survival skills.
So it will be my dad.
Yeah.
My dad can just do anything and everything, I think.
All right. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay. So you have a choice to date one person from Bollywood. Who would that be?
I've had a crush on Ranveer Singh for the longest time. So if I get a chance, I would like to go on a date with him.
If you can comment on your worst breakup story, how would that be like?
I don't want to.
Or was it so bad?
The worst breakups are very bad.
Very bad.
It's-
Okay. How long did you cry for? Like, did you eat a lot of chocolates, or how did you come out of it?
How did I time makes you come out of
Yeah,
it.
time
and
heals everything.
I think there's one heartbreak that we all have gone through.
Of course,
Yeah.
definitely.
So it was that.
All right. Tell me one thing that you would do in 18 hours. It's like you have the will to do anything. No, I'm just giving you a wish. You can do anything.
I would extend my role from a cameo to the main character.
All right. All right. That's wonderful. Okay. Delhi is always having this issue of pollution, right? So, one thing which you suggest that people should do so that there is no more pollution in Delhi.
So what I've seen is that people take their own vehicle everywhere they want to go. So
Okay.
if 25 people are coming to a place, there will be 25 cars lined up. So if people start using more of public transport or resort to cycles,
All right.
so for short distances, I think that would help a lot.
All right. Wonderful. What do you think one problem that the youth is facing today?
So I think it's a problem and a boon as well.
All right.
The kind of competition that there is around in today's time for the youth is huge. So what most of the people are taking it as stress, as they're seeing it in a negative way. But
Alright.
if that is seen in a positive way, a healthy competition is inculcated since childhood. I think this can also be a strength. So I think that is the one thing.
Have you ever been cyberbullied?
I think we all have. We all get mean comments, unnecessary, DMs and all of that on our pictures and all of that. So I think what I do is just ignore it.
So, one gali you learned on the set.
I don't know if it's a cuss word or not,
All right.
but there's a Hindi word which means lock.
Okay.
So I was narrating a Hindi story to one of my co-actors, and I said this. I don't know what it means. Okay.
So you can just say that. Let's figure out what it means.
So the word is kundi.
All right.
I don't know what it means in Malayalam, but it's a bad word.
It's not a bad word actually. It's not a curse word.
I don't know what it means, but
Okay.
in Hindi it means lock.
All right.
So I was
That's-
saying something कि ऐसा कुंडी लगाई, तो उन्होंने बोला कुंडी, that's a bad word. in
What is
Malayalam.
that?
I still don't know what.
You
is
didn't
that.
figure out it yet.
Everybody burst into laughter that I still don't know what it
All
means.
right. We'll be figuring it out soon. Okay. That was Mansi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
so
much.
much for joining, and all the best with your movie.
Thank you so much.
18 hours. Okay.
Thank you so
Wonderful. Thank you.